what's up everybody? Paul here, Left Coast Model Car Build. So, started a video last night on the Porsche. Went ahead and color sanded it, let it sit overnight, polished it today. So we got some clips from that. Gonna go ahead and show you right here. So if you got any questions, feel free to drop a comment, shoot me an email, leftcoastmodelcarbuilds@gmail.com, and let's get into it. What's up everybody? Paul here, Left Coast Model Car Build. So if you've seen the Porsche, we've let this clear sit for a couple of days. You can see some of these spots. We're now going to color sand out. So I had a couple of folks that have been asking me about color sanding. I am by no means an expert in this. If it wasn't for some of the bigger spots, you can see how clean this is. No real orange peel. I would have left this. I don't, if I don't have to color sand something, I've been having great luck with the clear I've been using. It's been laying out really nice, really like flat. It's glossy. When I say flat, I mean we're not getting the orange peel. So for myself, if I don't have to, I'm not breaking through my clear, but we got a few spots here we're going to go ahead and take out and then polish. So I thought we would bring you guys along for the journey. So what I've got here are some various pads I picked up from our friend Edgar over at Scale Riders. They come like this. So I've got mine set out, kind of going from 1,000 to about 10. I'm not sure if I'll start with the 1 or some 1,500, but
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy, and silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it, I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret and frenemies. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel
honest. Yeah. Sorry, I was like, what is he trying to do?
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody is right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I had no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it.
Alright, so as you saw there, that was, heck, I don't know, maybe 5-6 times going over it with the Meguiar. Scratch X worked pretty good as a kind of a cutter. You can see that's not bad. It ain't perfect. Now what I'm going to do is go over it with our step 2 polish, the Presta. This I'll probably go over about once or twice. And then I had June run in and grab. This is just a nice clear coat polish. I used it the other day for the first time on a model. Worked really good just to go over like a final clean. If I can get all my areas I hit to look like that, I'll be pretty happy. As you can see, it's not bad at all. So give me a second here and we're gonna go over a couple times with this Presta number 2 and see how that looks. All right, so as you just saw, that was actually the third coat of the step 2 polish I put on the roof. The first 2, I guess when I hit the record, it didn't go. But you can see there, I mean, it's not looking too bad. Let's see, it's nice and smooth. So now again, what I'm going to do is do 1 or 2 coats of this clear coat polish, and we'll see what we get here. Give me a second. All right, so we got a couple coats of that finished polish on there, and as you can see, that's what we got. So I'm not going to make you suffer through as I do these other parts. I'll rub those out, then I'll kind of give you a final look. But so I mean, all in all, not too long of a process to clean it up, and it did come out pretty nice. You can see there, just a quick process. You know, it's taking your time with the right, like I say, using the right papers or sponges, whatever you want to do. But it's just taking your time doing it, and hopefully you don't create more work. So I'm going to go ahead and do off these other 3 areas or so, 3 or 4 spots, and I'll let you take a look at the finished product here. All right, so here you can kind of see some of the pearl in here. Really nice the way this color laid out between, just, it's a dark color anyways, but I think that black just really helped it for at least this build, I would say. Let's see here. Yeah, really nice. All right, we're gonna get back to the game. We'll catch y'all later. All right, everybody, so that was a lot, I mean, less painful than I was expecting, but here you can kind of see what we got. And like I said earlier in the video when I was sanding this out, doing the wet sanding, it's by no means perfect, but you know, it's going to look good. I'm happy with it. I'll try to get a shot where you can see kind of some of that pearl in there. And again, this is a House of Kolors Jet Black Base, and then a couple of misted coats of Lake Violet Pearl shot over it. I don't know if you can kind of see in the sun here. Let's see. Yeah, it's hard to see here. I'll get a shot you can kind of see in there, but all in all, pretty good. Like I say, this was using the sanding pads, the little sponges I got from Edgar over at Scale Riders, and then using Meguiar's Scratch X to start, and then Presta Step 2 polish, and then a finish polish by P&S B20 Ultra Coat Polish. It's a clear coat polish. Worked really well just to kind of go over it at the end here, as you can see. So really good. Hopefully in the next, I'm hoping, week or 2, this build will be done. We'll be ready to go. So thank you guys for checking out the video. And if you guys got any questions, then drop a comment, shoot me an email. You know, again, I'm not the best at this, but you know, getting better each time we do it. So all right, everybody, catch you later. Jude and I are gonna get back to the Cardinals game. Go Cards.